229 Mountain View Pointe. Beautiful home. The home was finished in 2020, so very, very new home, obviously. As you can see, a nice ranch style. This also has a full basement downstairs that's unfinished. They do have some I guess they say partly finished because they have some framing down there already. They even have a bathtub and some things like that that we'll get to. But on the main level, we've got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, very open floor plan, and on this beautiful site. This is a large site, 1.73 acres. I've got a ton of frontage here, as you can see just over the ridge. You really have kind of mountain views in both different directions when you start looking through the trees on this side and then again on this side, because it does look towards the north. Got a nice yard area, so very easily sloped piece of property. In fact, there's a neighboring home all the way around the corner. So you talk about privacy, you won't have any other homes from Mountain View on this side to the left. All the way up the road, you can see the entrance to the next property up there. But you know, you got a lot of privacy here, so that's a great thing. As you can see, nice circular driveway. This also has a large, it has 2 garages basically, a 2-car garage up top, and then you go around the side of the house and that'll take you down into a 3rd garage bay. But that garage downstairs is really a double garage, so it's great for storage, which you'll see when we get down there. And again, a beautiful home. All stainless steel appliances and things like that, and you look, you'll see architectural rooftop here as well, so top of the line. And this also comes with a boat slip number 7, which we will get to at the end of this video to show you. You are going to have a very nice deep water boat slip that will accompany this house. So let's head on inside and take a look at the layout, and then we'll get over to the boat slip. All right, as we talked about, very open floor plan. You walk in, you've got this nice waterproof laminate on the floor. Looks great. High raised ceilings, recessed lighting. Nice setup there. Come on in the kitchen. You got the granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, KitchenAid appliances. You look over here, you've got the microwave oven below built in. Huge pantry, love that. Got the 6-burner KitchenAid. Nice, as you can see, they do have natural gas here, which is great. Nice little kitchen area here. Let's head on outside. We want to show you the back of the property here. Go to the back deck. Now, if you look through the trees here, you do see the mountain view in the distance. Look over to the right. This is going to be your closest neighbor. So when you get, certainly in the spring, summer, you're probably not even going to hardly see that house. And the lot lines are marked, you know, with tape. In fact, it goes on the other side of the low area out back. But again, a lot of nice privacy and virtually all hardwoods. I mean, there's a couple little small pines mixed in, but pretty much all hardwoods back here. And outside they do have roof covering the deck, so if it rains, that's nice. As we talked about, you've got the hardy plank. They've got a gas grill sitting out here. Got a trap door for your animals. Let's come on in. We're going to head over to the master. Beautiful, large, very large master bedroom here. Very nice setup, plenty of room. You can see this is an oversized king-size bed. I like that. Kind of nice. Tray ceilings, again, recessed lighting. Come on into the bathroom, double sink. Separate shower and a tub. And also a toilet area, and then your typical closet for your towels, washcloths, and other supplies, so forth. And then a large walk-in closet here. Nice tile shower there. Smooth ceilings, which you'll see as well. That's really throughout the house. Now let's step over here. You've got Very large laundry room. A lot more, cabinets, places to store things. I also have a laundry sink as well. We'll step out here to the two-car garage here. It's, again, you can see up top they're going to have some access space there. Heat pump system here. Carrier unit. Access outside. And this is nice too. They've extended the length of the garage on this side, as you can see, to fit a boat in here, which is nice. And you can see the hot water heater already in place. All right, let's head across the other side of the house. We'll start with the first room up front, which technically is a bedroom. They are not necessarily using it as a bedroom. It could be a couple things. It's a guest room. Could be a nice office space if you didn't want to use it as a bedroom, but could certainly use this as a bedroom as well. In fact, it'd be a nice place if you had a young child for a crib and for that kind of room. Again, closet here. Come over here. We've got 2 bedrooms on each end of the house. Carpet in both. Beds, walk-in closet. Nice, a lot of space in the closets on both of these. So that's certainly nice. Now come to the bathroom that they share. Double sink. Shower with tile. Pretty much the exact same layout as far as the bedrooms. Walk-in closet again, just like on the other one. Plenty of space there. A nice view out of the back of this house. So let's head downstairs. We'll go down to the unfinished basement area along with the other garage. I tell you what, if you take this downstairs and finish it out, you're going to have over a 4,000 square foot home. Again, if you look at what they've done here, they've got some framing up so you get a very good idea of things you can do with it. Certainly this room would be a game room, living room area here. And they've even, as you can see, they have a lot of the insulation already in place. So you're not talking about a big expense to finish this out. You get some floor coverings, a little bit more of the insulation along with some dry wall, and you'll be good to go. Access outside. As you can see, they do have a fenced-in yard, which is nice if you've already got a dog, and they've got a nice concrete patio area out here as well. And again, partially covered. Even made a little fire pit over there to the left. Again, great setup already if you have the dogs. Come on in here. You can see the way they've got this set up. This would be another bedroom. Full bath here, and they've already got an insert for the shower. They've already got the a potential cabinet here for with the sink. Nice bedroom. Looking out the back with, again, another walk-in closet over here already set up. They've also got wiring already in it that you'll see. Come back here. They've got this set up now as obviously a workout area, but you can certainly use that. And then another large space back here. You know, I would, if it were me, I might even create another bedroom possibly over there, kind of make this the workout area, or at least have more storage area. So you're talking about 5, 6 bedrooms, another bath. I mean, by the time you finished out, it could easily be 6 bedrooms, 3 baths. Now let's come on down here. We talked about the other, really the third door of the garage, of the 3-car garage area, but you also, as we said, it's oversized. So you got tons of storage space here. You could have a nice shop if you were looking for a workshop. That would be great as well. Again, the property line really goes all the way up to the corner. There's some pink tape up there through the woods, but it's quite a ways over there. I would say estimated probably 150 feet at least to get over to that area. And that line comes running down in between the two homes, down to the bottom pin in the back, and then all the way back up to the top. So again, almost 2 football fields of land. And they've done a nice job. I like the landscaping here, just very easily maintained with this rock. Great setup. You can see here we wanted to walk out, show you the access down to the lower garage. All right, let's head over to the boat slip area and we'll go check out boat slip number 7. We're going to take the golf cart. They do have a golf cart, which again was nice as you saw down in the third garage area. Come on around to the property. Check out the view off the corner of the lot here. I mean, what a unbelievable mountain view and a big view of the lake. That is the main lake area. The other thing we'd say, the location of Mountain View Point is very close to the Lighthouse Restaurant, the Cabana Restaurant. So super nice there. You see some of the other homes in this community. All these waterfront lots are big time money, so you're going to be multi-million-dollar houses on the water. As you can see, curbed and guttered, all underground utilities in here. The other thing I would say is, as far as the location, you're only 45 minutes from this location to Main Street, downtown Greenville. Now this is the access down to the boat slip. We told you this comes with boat slip number 7. Super deep water over here. As you can see, the water really follows the contour of the property at water depth. They also have a nice little path to get down here. All right, we're going to walk on down to boat slip number 7. Check that out. Talk about an amazing view from the boat slip. Check that out. Long range Blue Ridge Mountains, long range water. Again, just a fantastic location for the slip because the land across the way is all owned by Duke Energy in the power plant area, so you're not going to see any homes over there on that side, or at least I don't think Duke has any plans for that because it has to be within 1 mile radius of the power plant. I guess they're not going to do residential. Look at the slip here. This is number 7. Very deep water. Never going to have an issue here, which is super nice. But I tell you, another great thing is you've got this nice sandy beach area as well. So if you want to utilize that for the kids, grandkids as well. And not only that, but a nice private cove. This cove dead ends down here to the right. And so you're not going to see a lot of boats in here for any reason whatsoever. But the great part of it is if you come just around this corner outside of the main lake, you are on the main lake. And again, you're maybe a 5-minute boat ride over from the Lighthouse Restaurant, the Cabana. And we didn't really talk about that at the house, but that golf cart, you are literally probably a 3-minute golf cart ride from the Cabana and the Lighthouse Restaurant. So if you like to go check out ball games and maybe have a drink or two, you certainly don't have to drive. You can walk to get over there to enjoy those beautiful facilities. So again, if you have any interest in this home, it comes with this boat slip and great location, give us a call, 800-682-9098.